Alright, here we are. It's HoHem HG5 Pro. Came in this pretty sealed box by HoHem Tech. I got this one from Amazon. You know I love Amazon. Like a box inside a box inside another box. And all of these accessories that came with it, pretty nice. This tripod is a lot longer than the HoHem iSteady one. This one's pretty long and it's aluminum. The one from iSteady was plastic. This one's very sturdy. And I was shocked, this one came with 2 batteries. Some 18650s right here. Claimed to be, I think, 2800 milliamps. Let's double check. This battery, actually, the bottom section of it came a little bit dinged, but no problem. Yeah, this one is, there you go, 2600 or 2800. I was wondering what this is. It's telescopic. It's a telescopic stick. Has a lock and unlock right there. Also comes with a thread in the bottom and a thread on the top, or I will say female thread on the bottom. Now let's open up the main box. Comes with this pretty case. Oh, look at that carrying handle. Very nice. Very nicely done. Came nicely packaged. Nice and secure. Here's some manual. Wasn't that much. Has a little warranty card back there. I was surprised compared to the Ice Steady. This one was all aluminum and feels very sturdy. I was just messing with it. It would rotate. Unlike the Ice Steady, would only rotate certain and it will stop, but this one kept on going. Comes with a little USB charger right here, and look at that, another battery. So it came with 2 batteries. Nicely spring loaded. Just trying to see the inside there, trying to see if I could wiggle it, but it was pretty good construction underneath there. Just messing around with the joystick there, trying to get a feel of it. Now there is a charging port on the side of the gimbal, but I have a lot of these 18650 batteries. Again, just trying to inspect that joystick. I thought it was crooked, but it was pretty straight. I was checking those rubber pads on it. Here we are. Let's try it out, see if there's any noise. See, look at that, you can rotate it all the way through. Couldn't do that with the Ice Steady. Now I can go all the way through also the other way. So far I'm liking it. It's just that I had to go to the app and I had to reverse the joystick. I tried it out with the app and it works really well. There you go, guys. Thumbs up. Thanks. Subscribe.